when he was spreading the message of the Injil, which we believe in Aramaic, to his people, Jesus wasn't speaking in Koine Greek, right? No, it could be, is not the issue of is, right? What was the language of Jesus? His main language is Aramaic. So when he communicated with his community, no doubt that should be in Aramaic. These scriptures, none of them in the original are in Aramaic. Okay, so that means, okay, hold on. So that's the point, that this is not the words of Jesus, right? They're people's accounts, Mark's accounts of what he said. But his words would be in Aramaic, right? To his people. We just agreed. Okay.
In conclusion, what Sheikh Uthman is saying is that Jesus preached the Injil in Aramaic, but the Gospels were written later in Koine Greek, apparently accounts of Mark, Matthew, Luke, and John. Therefore, this not Injil. It is just account of people, not direct revelation from God through Jesus.